Hey friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Last Sunday, I published two videos, one on the outlook of US indices and commodity, and second was on some of the stocks which we felt that they might outperform. So yesterday itself, you might have seen how index and stocks perform very well on our levels, and as we predicted, they exactly shown the same result. So today also in continuation that to that we are going to analyze index as well as those stocks. So for the stocks we are going to see a separate video, but in this video we are going to talk about the next journey of index for today as well as the rest of the week. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, I would request you to subscribe to this channel. Let's grow this channel and hit on the notification icon so that in future if I make any videos then you will get the notification of it. So before we start doing analysis, first we will go to our important website cnbc.com and we will see where are the futures heading. So euro was quite impressive. All European markets were up by more than 1%. Asia was also up, and let's see pre-market. Pre-market is showing us that Nasdaq futures is up by marginal 0.1%. S&P is almost flat. Dow futures is almost flat. So let's see the charts. Now, if you see here, yesterday on Sunday we clearly mentioned that there is a breakout on the index, right? And you can see it here, right? Let's see first our daily chart. So we did our analysis on this day, 28th of Jan. I mean, on the closing of 20th of Jan. So we did hourly analysis and we saw that on the hourly analysis here, right? Index gave a breakout, right? And after this, right here, it gave a breakout and then we analyzed and we predicted two levels. First was 14,800 and second was 15,000, right? And third was 15,200. So yesterday itself, right, market has covered almost both of the targets, right? This is the first target, this is the second target, and this is the third target. Okay, so first target is done, second is almost near 15,000, and third is 15,200. Now let's see here on the day chart first. Okay, on the day chart you can see here uh, it has a given a breakout yesterday, okay, on the trend line, okay, and now it is trying to go towards 15,000 and 50,200. So I would say that market has still strength to go towards 15,000 and 15,200, and if it stays above 15,200 then market definitely will go back toward 15,600 levels. 15,500 to 15,600 levels is the next resistance once it starts trading and closing above 15,200. Okay, and uh, where is the support to the market, right? So for support, the support to the market is first support is near 14,800. Once it starts trading below 14,800, then it can go back toward 14,600 and 14,400. But looking at this chart now, high probability that market can go towards 15,000 and 15,200. Okay, so both levels I have mentioned for the support and resistance. Okay, now let's go back towards the Dow Jones, right? So this is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones, we saw here that it has given a breakout, right, on the day chart, and we predicted the three levels. The first level is 34,800. Second level we predicted as 35,200, third level we predicted as 35,500. So first level was almost first level was breached yesterday. First target was achieved. Let's go on the hourly chart and then we can see market gave a breakout here, right? This is the data of closing of 28 Jan. Then we talked about 34,800, right, which it did. And then the next level we talked about 35,200, and the third level is 35,500. So these two levels are remaining, 35,200 and 35,500. Now if index if index takes support here at 34,800, and then it can again take a chance to go towards 35,200, or from here else, here itself it can go back towards 35,000 and 35,200. Now if index starts trading above 34,000, sorry, starts trading below 34,800, then it can open the level of 34,400 and then 34,000. But in my opinion, by looking at yesterday's close, I think that index is going to go towards 34,000, 35,200 and 35,500. Okay, so watch out for those levels. And if we see the daily chart, okay, so daily chart, see here, this was the Friday's closing, this was yesterday's closing, very strong closing. And then now currently futures are trading flat, but high probability that once market open after 1 hour, then definitely there can be a buying come, buying can come, and it can go back towards 35,200 and 35,500. Let's talk about S&P 500. What a massive uptrend, right? What a what a pullback it gave. We predicted the breakout here, then we predicted these two levels, 4435 and 4500. Both levels achieved yesterday itself. You can see my last video, okay, this video, outlook of Nasdaq, Dow, S&P. Here I mentioned those levels can be achieved, and market actually achieved those levels very clearly. And after breaking out 4500 on hourly time frame, right? It has it it is going towards 4535, the next level. So we have to see when it goes, because still data looks strong. Okay, price action looks strong, and I think that it can go back to 34535, and if it stays above that, then it can go back toward 4600, right? So this is all about S&P 500. Once S&P 500 starts trading below 4430, then we will talk about downside levels. But looking at this strong candles, I don't think that market is going to come down today also. In fact, I think that entire week will give us very good greenery. But yes, we will review every day, okay, if I get chance, because you see here clear cut, uh, the downtrend is broken. And as we discussed on last week, US 100 is uh, actually near its support area, and it has given a very good bounce. Okay, so we discussed about all three indexes, and let's talk about gold first. So clearly mentioned about gold, that gold is at very attractive level, right? When we did the analysis, the gold was trading near the support zone of uh, 1786. Okay, you can see here when we analyzed gold. Okay, sorry, uh, let's see here, when we analyzed gold, okay, on last Thursday, sorry, last Sunday, we clearly said that 1780 and 1760 are the very good support area of the gold, and from there it can bounce back, and it actually bounced back from there. And it gave a good upside from there. You can see it has given a breakout on hourly candle. Currently, it is facing the resistance at 1810. Once it starts trading above 1810, then it can go back towards 1820 also. The next we have is silver. What a sharp up move. Clearly mentioned that silver can come back. Silver has came back to the near the support area of 22 and 21.50. It was near the support area, and from there, okay, it gave a bounce back. Okay, uh, it gave a bounce back here, but this bounce back is because uh, today there was a budget speech in Indian stock market, and uh, you know it has given this up move today itself. Okay, after the budget speech. So in silver now, once it starts trading and sustaining about $23, then there can be upside, more upside possible for the 23.50 and $24. The next index, next commodity we have is crude oil. Crude oil, unless and until it is above $85, okay, no need to worry. Whoever have any position in the crude oil, they can carry. But once it starts trading below $85, then it can go back towards 82.50 and $80. So right now, to me, it looks like uh, crude oil is uh, actually, if we see these candles, uh, it created two inverted hammer, and then it created hammer, right? And now also it is uh, you know it is creating indecisive candle. Okay, so I think personally, unless and until it is not breaking above $88, it has a possibility to come back toward $85. And maybe from here it can take a U-turn either or. Once it starts trading and sustaining below 85, then it can go back toward 82.50 and $80. So this is all about today, my friends. You can see how US 100 is moving. It is continuously going up, and our second target is almost there, 15,000. Okay, and if it breach there, then it will go up more. I hope this video will help you to take your investing and trading decision. Last but not least, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to it, share it with your friend and family members so that they will also get some knowledge and they will also grow financially. And let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends.